Alright, so one headlight is complete. This is the one that's not done yet, so you can see that. Come over here. Ooh, look at that. This is the one that is done. So I'll show you with the lights on too, differences. I had to re-pull this one off because I forgot all about adding my high beam in there. That's why if you buy one of these kits, they come with obviously the whole frame of the headlight. They'll come with the HID bulb, but they don't give you a high beam bulb. So you have to use your own or purchase another LED or whatever when you want. So, alright, give me a second. I'm going to turn the lights on. Alright, this is with the HIDs on. So the HID versus the non-HID. So, yeah, to the left there you have the normal headlight, and on the other side obviously you got the new headlight I just installed. This is really not that easy. I mean, I thought it was all going to be plug and play, but there's definitely stuff you got to do. So if you're not at all handy, probably better off to pay somebody to do this, because it's not that easy. I mean, even when you put the headlight back in, the way you got to finesse it and try to get the headlight to lock into place, it's kind of a pain in the ass. Alright, give me a second. I'm going to hit the high beams to show you what it looks like with my normal high beams on. Okay, that's with the normal high beams on. So you got the HID headlight, and then you got my normal high beam under it. And that side there is just the normal, what it would look like if it's stock versus not stock. So I definitely can change that high beam bulb and put something else in there, but for right now, like I said, this HID should be bright enough where I don't even need the high beams right now, but I'll have them there if I need them. So yes, before and after, and I gotta get going to work on this other light, so I'll leave you with that.